Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Posy as a mermaid. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with the eyes first. I'm going to draw 2 lines here at the bottom. And then we're going to draw 2 half circles right above the horizontal lines. And let's draw 2 of them, both sides. And then inside, as usual, we're going to draw a pupil and an iris. Let's do the same on the other side. Light reflections. Let's fill the pupil. And now for the eyebrows. We're going to draw 2 lines to indicate the eyebrows, and we're going to complete it. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little nose and the mouth. And let's make the mouth a bit open like this. Good. And now for the hair. You're going to draw 2 curves going down, and on this side you're going to do the same thing. And on top we're just going to bring it over, and on this side the same thing. And now for a headband. You're going to draw a zigzag line to the hair and one below, and then you're just going to connect it to the hair on both sides. And now we can draw the jawline, and we're going to start here at the bottom. You're going to make it nice and round, and you can make it flat at the bottom and just bring it around and touch the hair. And now for the flower. You're going to draw a flower here. You can draw sort of a bow shape with curvy lines. There we go, and there's the flower. And now we're going to start with the neck. And I'm going to bring 2 lines out. I'm going to draw the dress, make a round line, another one on both sides, and we're going to draw the belt. And right on the side, we're going to make the ponytail. And then a piece of hair here at the bottom as well. And there we go. And right there on the top, a little hairband going to her head. And there we go. There's Posy's body. Now we're going to draw the fin going down. So you're going to draw an upside down V on both sides. And there we go, and there's posing. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.